Hi, this is Matthew again. Today is the 4th of December 2018. It's a new video. We're going to be trading digits over today in our binary trading section. So here I just set the time to 20 minutes, so I'm going to click on start right now. It may be more, maybe less, so let's see how it goes. So here we're going to be trading 10 times. So I have a notepad here where I'm going to be typing the number of trades. So we are going to be trading the volatility index 50 today. So I'm going to open the chart and the index. So here is the index, and I'm going to open the chart as well. So we are going to be using two indicators. So I open the chart too. So I move this close. So here we're going to change this to line. Then we change this to tick as well. So let's set the trading interface first for the volatility index 50. So we are going to change this to digits. Then we are going to change this to digits over. So here we change it to ticks, 5 ticks. Then we change this last digits to 1. So here I'm going to be staking 15.77 because we're going to make 30 USD in this trade. We're going to trade 10 times. So we're going to make 3 USD in each trade. So let me open the number of trades. So this first trade. So let's go back to the indicator. We're going to use two indicators in this section. So I'm changing this to, we're going to be using the, so you go to statistics function, we're going to be using the minimum and the maximum indicator. So I'll change this to maximum. Then I'm going to go back to the indicator again. Then I'll select minimum. Good. These are two indicators. So the minimum and the maximum indicator. So we're going to move this close. I'm going to move it close. Yeah, that's close enough. So we're going to be clicking on purchase once the middle indicator is close to the maximum, either overlaps or move higher than the maximum indicator. You can see it's at the middle. I'm talking about this blue indicator right here. So it has moved past the maximum, so we click on purchase. So what this indicates is that when it moves past the possibility of the numbers over 1 is higher when it moves past the maximum indicator. So you can see we won the first trade. So we made 3 USD. That's the first trade. I'm going to trade for the second time. That's the second trade. So you can see that this chart is below the maximum, so minimum. I mean, so I have to wait for it to either overlap the maximum or move past the maximum. So it's moving up again. Moving up. Yes, click on purchase. You can see. I see it's a bit slow because of my network. It's moving again. The network is a bit slow. So that's the second trade. We want the second trade. So we're going to make the third trade right now. Network is slow. Okay. As our third trade. So I have to wait again for the middle chart to overlap or move past the maximum indicator. Please check all the settings very well. You can see it's moving up, moving, going down again. It's close, moving close. Make sure you move this close. You can see it's closed, it has overlapped. When you click on purchase, that's the third trade. So you can see we won that trade again. That's our third trade. So I'm going to change it to 4. So we'll close again and we'll wait again for the blue chart indicator to overlap the maximum indicator. Going down is just at the minimum. Going up again, down. You have to be patient. That's our fourth trade. Remember, we're going to be making 30 USD in this section. It's going up again. With our maximum indicator right there. So it's going up, it's closed, that's overlapped. Let's give it still more minutes. Close. Let's give it some time again. Let's give it some time to close. It's going down. Okay. Okay, that's our fourth trade. So as you can see, we won the first trade. So I'm going to change this to 5 again. Then I close this and I wait again. So it's down. So I have to give it some time again to go up, to move past the maximum indicator or overlap it. Remember, the trick is when it's going up and overlaps the maximum indicator, the possibility of showing higher numbers above 1 is almost 100%. You can see it's going down. Remember, you have to move this thing close. Going up. So I have to be patient. It's moving close to the maximum. It has overlapped, so we click on purchase. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more strategies. And visit our website www.nigercoach.com to read tutorials. So you can see we won the 5th trade. So we have to close this. I'm going to change this to 6 again. That's our 6th trade. So we give it some time again. We give it some time to move up again, to move past the maximum indicator. Remember, all these indicators are right here. You go to the statistics function, you see the minimum and maximum. So we are going to be working with the maximum in this trade. So we give it some times again. We give it some times to move past the maximum or overlap it. Make sure you are using the web trader. Check all the decision and the steps to follow in the YouTube video description. So it's moving close. It has overlapped the maximum. We click on purchase. That's our 6th trade. So we want that trade again. So I'm going to change this to 7. So we have 3 more trades to go after this. Remember, we're going to be trading 10 times. So we give it some times again to move. So moving up again. See, it has overlapped it. Then we click on purchase. That is 7th trade. So you can see we won the 7th trade. We won the 7th trade. So we have 3 more to go for us to make the 30 years in this section. So these are 8 trades. So we have to give it some time again to move up, to move close to the maximum indicator. Not to be boring. I'm in the foreign. We gain money. We gain money. Never get boring. I'm in the foreign. We gain money. You can see it's moving close, moving close, almost overlap. So we click on purchase. That's the 8th trade. So we won the 8th trade. We have 2 more to go. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website for recent tutorials. So we give it some time again. We have to give it some time. It's close. We have to give it some time to come down and go back up again. You can see it's at the middle, it's just at the middle, so we have to give it some time. So it's moving up. Overlap. Let's give it some time to cross. It has crossed, so we click on purchase. That's a 9th trade. So we have 1 more to go. The network is a bit slow. So whenever you are trading, do not close your browser or make a tab over. Just stick with the page you are. Don't go to another page. The network is a bit slow, so it's taking some time to make sure you have a strong internet connection as well. Network is slow. Oh, network. These are night trade. We are waiting for this to come up. Oh, sorry, we already won the trade. It just freezed, so you can see we won the trade. The network was a bit slow there, so we won the night trade. So this is the 10th trade. So I'm going to close this. That's our last trade for this section. So we have to wait again for I have to wait again for this chart to move to overlap the maximum indicator or move past it. So going down, we have to give it some time to move up again. So once it moves past or overlap the maximum, it has overlapped, then we click on purchase. That's our last trade, as a 10 trade. So let's wait for the result, the final result. You can see we won all the 10 trades. So in this trading section, we made 30 USD. If we check the balance, the account balance, what we started with and what we end with, we made 30 USD. Thanks for watching. Bye.